This was the Tree of Life. I don't know if you guys heard, but there was a big fire here at Animal Kingdom, and the Tree of Life now looks like that. Make sure it wasn't wet. All right, go. Go. Ma'am, do you have a fast pass for this?
Where would you like to go? I'll give you a list.
What are you carrying here?
Oh, doesn't matter. Never you mind.
What's in this drum, lady?
Get me out of here!
Sounds like contraband to me. You're gonna have to come with me. So here's one of our favorite corners for photos. Sometimes there's a photo pass person here. We took a nice family photo right there. There it is. Okay, we're here at one of our favorite places for photos, the bike wall, and we're on our way to Safari.
Calvin, wipe your face. Calvin, wipe your face.
Wait just a minute, let's look at that again. And this time focus on the boy in the blue who's going to end up on the far right bottom corner.
Calvin, wipe your face. Wipe your face.
Kid, whoever you are, thank you for making my day.
Thick brush here in the Little Atiri Forest. There's a baby bongo there as well. Right now, on really hot days, animals do like to hang around these watering holes.
But not today.
Alright, now over here, these are the Nile crocodiles. The Nile crocodile can be all the way up to 16 feet long. And mother crocodiles do like to keep their babies inside of their mouths until they're ready to go out into the wild. The sable antelope are the emblem here on the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. As they mature, their coats do get darker. They like to use those horns on top of their heads as defense mechanisms. Flamingos can grow all the way up to 5 feet tall when they're standing fully straight. They're going to weigh around 9 pounds at their heaviest. They like to lay in that mud, kind of roll around, and it's going to coat their skin using it as a natural sunscreen. Now the smaller antelope on the other side of the rhinoceros is a Bontebok. That's right down there as well. The male lions are going to stay behind and kind of watch over the pride and watch over their territory. Everybody go well, go wild.
Love all this kind of theming, just the little things off on the side that you just walk by. They do such a good job with all this stuff. Whoa. You can drive this time. Jump in. Jump on in.
You got the keys or locked?
Oh, I think I left the keys in there. Oh no. I think I got a spare up there in the suitcase though. You want to climb up and get it?
No, but I'm going to take pictures.
Alright. Alright, just got off the safari And I'd say it was pretty good. Last time we came, we went on 2 safaris. Whoa, whoa. And we didn't see much. It was kind of a bummer. It was our first time, and like, where's all the animals? This time there's a little more, but not a lot. But it was still good.
It was worth it. We saw a good amount. A lot of giraffes, elephants, black rhinos, some other rhinos.
Antelope things, wild dogs,
chunky unicorns.
chunky people.
Okay, the funniest thing though, a little boy behind us, there were 3 cheetahs, and he said to his mom, "Look at Cheetos!" He said, "They're not called Cheetos, they're called cheetahs." He said, "I thought it was Cheetos."
And then another one, the lady in front of us said, "All I'm getting pictures of is animals' butts." And I agree. That was pretty much, they were all butts. That's life though.
All of them.
Life, it's all butts. Beautiful. Beautiful waterfall. Gorgeous. Oh, and our driver? You don't have to show this part. You don't have to keep this part in. This was the Tree of Life. I don't know if you guys heard, but there was a big fire here at Animal Kingdom, and the Tree of Life now looks like that.
No, did you know?
What a bummer.
Did you know that these trees only have leaves 3 months out of the year?
9 months, no leaves. 3 months they have leaves. And what do they call it? A babu?
And so
Babo?
it retains the water, and that's how it gets its name.
Oh. This was our lovely wait and what we thought was a covered area for the Lion King show. Right when the downpour came, and found out, nope, the rain comes on through. So many people getting soaked. They need to make these with a little clock in it, a little digital clock, because I have looked at this thing about 900 times a day because it feels like a watch, and I look at it for the time. Time for the Lion King show.
Everyone, listen.
Welcome, everyone. It's me, Simba. You've all picked a very special day to visit. The Festival of the Lion King. Let the procession begin. Hey, tumble monkeys! Walk me over by the warthog section.
Get ready, woodhogs! It's your turn on the canopy. Let's go! Just can't wait.
All together now.
Okay, so we just saw the Lion King show, and that was pretty good, pretty entertaining. It's old. That show's pretty old now, I think, but it's so much fun and so much energy that you can't help but love it. Did you love it?
Oh, it's lots of fun.
Did you find that you couldn't help but love it?
I couldn't help but stomp on my feet and clap my hands.
Woo! Woo doggy! And it's nice out here now, no rain, a little humid, but cool. And hopefully the park is emptying out. And we're gonna see if any of the trails are still open, though I think they're probably closing. So we got a little time until our Fast Pass Navi River journey. So we'll just see what we can do. Woohoo! Ooh, a lot of people here. We're gonna go, ooh, we're gonna go over there, but, oh no, we don't. I was wrong. We're going this way with everybody else. never really looked at that thing before. That's pretty cool.
I can't only see half of it.
And like you said, goat cheese. Well, we went over to do the Majarahi Jungle Trek, which is the best trail in here, I know from experience. So cool. It's so well themed and everything, but it's closed. It's closed. Yeah, I knew it closed right around dusk, but actually it closed at 4:45, which is like an hour and a half ago. So we'll just do whatever else we want to do. We have the Fast Pass coming up. We'll probably go over to, we'll probably just hang out around this area, check things out, and slowly make our way over to Pandora. It's all empty now because we bailed. The ride broke down and they said it's going to be a while, and we thought later tonight it'll be no wait, and sure enough, here we are. No wait. Wait, where are we at? Oh, this way.
We hope your journey will show you a world that is truly worth seeing.
Yes. I truly hope it is worth it too.
My name is Nisha.
There's a long walk in.
I'm the founder and manager of Kali Rapids Expedition.
If you are busy and get a response, please listen and get this message to Malaysia. This is a mission. I am not delivered.
We got our ponchos. We're good to go. Poncho.
I'm completely closing up now. I don't want to get wet.
Oh, it's like it's on fire. Cool.
Oh, I should have had my hood on.
Moving. All right.
Yeah, I got wet. I thought I was being all smart, and then I didn't see this part, and I didn't have the hood up, and now I'm all wet. And the camera a little bit, but not bad.
It's quiet and dark back here as you enter Pandora. I can't see much at all, but there's something blinking in my peripheral. I don't know what it is. It must be a strange animal. Oh no! Someone with those obnoxious jingle bells. Actually, I really encouraged her to buy them. Woo! So nice way to enter the back way of Pandora. So much less crowded and zoo-like, and just a slow kind of metamorphosis into this new land.
Something a wild animal may or may not jump out.
Yeah. Well, they start off it's subtle. At first, there's not much noise, and there's just a little like glowing little dots of light in the trees and stuff, like things are moving around, and slowly they introduce more sound, and just comes on like a full concert when you get back here. Navi Christmas tree over there. So we're looking for a sign for Navi River, just to kind of put on the video, kind of like this is what it is. And We realize there's not one, and I'm wondering if this thing right here, is this like the Navi sign for the river? Whatever that is. Like over there it just says the times or the fast pass and standby. It says Navi River on those little signs really small, but that's
River.
oh, thank you. Now we know. So heading into Navi River journey. Oh, very neat. Wow. It's a nice view over here, and you can only get it if you go on this ride. She kind of freaks me out, gotta be honest.
Welcome back, travelers.
Woo! That was the closest to a roller coaster she could get.